So guys, if you're at all involved in a product business in 2026, you're probably using at least 5 different tools on a day-to-day basis, right? Or platforms, if not 15 or 20. I don't have to tell you this, you know it if you're at all involved in this world. And that's thousands of dollars per year, and more importantly, dozens of hours of your time and your team's time per week. And most of that, despite AI, despite us living in 2026, is still done manually. But what if there was one AI agent that does all of that? So trend analysis across social media and e-commerce, production-ready designs the factories can actually manufacture, and multi-platform sourcing to find the best supplier at the best price, and all in one platform, in one workflow, with one AI agent. That is what I'm gonna show you and walk through step by step in this video. I think you're gonna love it. Let's go. And you may already know what I'm talking about, and that's Accio, which I'm a big fan of and I've been using for a long time now. But Accio is being reimagined for the Accio 2.0 launch. And in this video, I'm gonna show you why the Accio 2.0 launch and upgrades are the biggest upgrades to product sourcing and development that I've seen in a while, and how this will impact your workflows and SOPs and make you and your team more productive as a professional in the product business. And so as far as the current state of this goes, we want to compress 3 major things into one workflow. That's going to be figuring out what to sell and why using actual data. Number 2, designing something that you can actually hand to manufacturers. And then number 3, actually finding the manufacturers that are best for that product. So that whole process from trend research to actually locking down a supplier, and that's freelancers, that's VAs, that's your team's time, and the connective tissue there is manual. So it's that workflow that we're compressing into one natural language workflow with Accio 2.0. And so if you're not familiar with Accio at all, essentially what it is the world's first AI sourcing agent developed by Alibaba.com that is built specifically for product first businesses. And it's built on the Alibaba.com sourcing expertise. That's 25 years of B2B commerce experience, plus 1.5 million sellers and 400 million products in their database. That is the intelligence, right? The hive mind that informs the Accio agent. When I first tried Accio, it was in beta, like no one was using it. And now over 3 million professionals and consultants and procurement professionals globally are on it, which is really cool to see personally. And so there are 3 capabilities that I want to touch on for Accio 2.0 before we dive into demos in my computer so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So number 1 is trend analysis. And what Accio 2.0 does is it fuses social media data and e-commerce sales data to spot the next big product opportunity across every domain. This isn't just Google Trends, right? This is deep analysis across TikTok, Instagram, Amazon, retail, wholesale, just every data source out there that you would want for real data-backed research gets rolled into the mind, so to speak, of this agent. Then number 2 is the production-ready design aspect of a product business. And so Accio 2.0 generates tech packs that factories can actually use. We're talking bill of materials, construction details, product specs, measurements, everything the manufacturer needs to quote and produce your product. And that's whatever product you can imagine just by talking with the agent. And that eliminates a lot of that need to go back and forth with designers and any miscommunications with factories, and just a lot of the labor and cost and time and money that comes with that. And then third and finally, you get multi-platform sourcing. You will find the best supplier at the best price because you're inside of the Alibaba.com network and global sources and 1688 just everywhere. And there's some other cool add-ons there. Again, I want to show you all of that. And so that in mind, let's dive into my computer to go over that part 1 of this holistic workflow, that being the trend and research component of it. Okay, now quickly, if you want to support the channel and you want an exclusive free trial link to try out Accio as we're demoing in this video so you can just follow along and learn better, just drop a comment with the word Accio, ACCIO, or click the link in the description. Again, that's a free trial and it helps support the channel. So let's just jump into it. What I'm going to do is select thinking mode as opposed to fast right here. And then I'll give Accio this prompt. So what are the emerging trends in the home wellness space and products for 2026? So show me products that are gaining traction on social media and are starting to see commercial demand. So this is that first layer of market research you would want to do. And let's just see how the agent goes about it. So it's given us a plan on what it's going to do. This looks good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click start now. Okay, and it's done. We can see that 63 sources were referenced, and if we actually search through here, we can see that Instagram, TikTok, other social platforms, as well as news sites were pulled from to accumulate this data, and then we can click on the document, and we can see this report now on home wellness emerging trends. It looks like the big one is vagus nerve stimulation. So it'll give us the size of the market, who it's best for. I don't even know what VOC is. Let's see. Volatile organic compounds. VOC wedge. And then here we can see some of the actual products that it selected given this trend, and we can see sources, right? So things like TikTok and Amazon. So both products inside of the Alibaba.com network and also these other retailer and wholesaler platforms. Number 2 looks like targeted longevity. And you can see here as well, right? Search volume for this term surged 234%. That's one of those other data sources I mentioned, which is web traffic that Accio can pull from. And then in this report, we get a final recommendations list. So we get the top 3 products and why they're recommended for us to sell. And then let me ask a follow-up. Let me say, give me a competitor analysis of the e-commerce, VNS, and neuromodulation space. Okay, and so we got that report. Let's go ahead and see. This is our VNS and neuromodulation competitor analysis report. So it's going to give us some of the different kind of subfields within the market, and then go ahead and give us the top brands in the space based on the actual sales data. And then we get a deep dive into each of those and the positioning and sentiment, which is, again, exactly what you would spend, at least I have certainly spent many hours doing before, and we can get that in a minute here. There's something I want to note here on just the format side is we can go ahead and just click download here in the top right. Then I can open that PDF and we can get this in a report where you can just, send it to an employee or a team member in this nicer, tighter PDF form. Let's be nice to the AI. Thank you, Accio. And with that, we will wrap demo number 1. So now we're ready for that second layer and demo I want to showcase, which is focused around these production-ready designs that Accio 2.0 can generate. And again, the big difference here is these are not just mock-ups. These are the actual elements that you can hand directly to suppliers to go and manufacture your product. So things like a bill of materials, construction details, and then the product and material specs. And so for this demo, I want to start with a product concept that we have, and then we'll see how Accio can help us through that kind of second stage of figuring out the product.
Now, to illustrate how I came up with this product idea, I was sitting around at home one day and went to get a glass, and the glass was a bit dirty with this stuff, and that's not good. So I was like, why can't they self-purify? And that became a self-purifying water bottle.
So what I'm going to say too is design a sustainable travel water bottle with integrated water filtration systems. And then we're going to ask for that production ready tech pack. We're going to leave it on thinking, and we'll click start now. Okay, so now what it did here is I came up with a market strategy and then selected a few of the products to make. And then it starts us off with the design proposal. So we gave it an idea for product. Now it's saying, okay, here are the options. Here's what it could look like. And it actually came up with the cohesive approach, right? The strategy, the concept for the design, and then actually generated, you can see design images or mock-ups here with a, BOM, price point, MOQ, capacity, filtration, and then so on with these other generated images. And these are products that don't exist at all, right? These are brand new. It's saying right here, Peak Vanguard is its recommendation. Let's scroll up. That's going to be this one right here. And so if we scroll down, we can see the production tech pack for the Peak Vanguard product. Again, this is one prompt. There have been no follow-on prompts here. And it actually generated these. Again, this does not exist. This was just created by the agent in about 2 minutes with one prompt, and we can see the actual bill of materials, design images, etc. So these are some product specs. Then we have the process to make it, and then so on right here. If we scroll down, we can see that bill of materials, so the various materials that are required for it, and then the material and construction specifications, and then compliance and safety analysis requirements. And then it tells us, hey,
here are the other things I can do. Market validation is one part of it, but also detailed prototyping, BOM refinements. And then demo number 3, which we're gonna get to supplier matching in a minute. But first, let's just double down, right? It gave us a few options. Let's say, hey, I like the peak Vanguard product you came up with. Proceed with BOM refinement and detailed prototyping. So we want to push it. We want to see how good it can get with this tech pack set of materials. And let's go. We can see that these various individual reports were generated in documents. Let's go ahead and click on the first, and that's going to be the BOM refinement with a target cost range of somewhere between $10 and $15. That'll depend on the supplier we go with. And we can see sourcing analysis, material evaluation, and you can see, I mean, there is science behind this, right? This was very thought out. I'm just skipping over it here, but this is something we could spend an hour just reading and talking through. And so then we get to this revised bill of materials, so a little more specific with the 6 parts, the cost of each, and then the cumulative cost. And it's also starting to show us some of those core components and the cost that we can get there. So I'll exit out of there, then we can see the prototyping package. So this is a 3D printing guide with actual prototype files that were generated here. If we exit out of that, we can see the validation checklist, so the actual pass-fail criteria for various parts and for the product as a whole, as tying into then the regulation within this specific space. So that's epic. That is literally everything we need. And I think you can start to see by now how this flow works, right? So we start off with the market research competitor analysis, then we can very seamlessly shift into, okay, now we want to double down on what the product actually is, the specifications, the regulation. And then where I think Accio really shines is what this third demo is going to be, and that is the third big feature, which is the supplier matching and sourcing. And that's because, right, this is part of Alibaba.com, which is the world's biggest e-commerce supplier. You're talking 1.5 million suppliers, like I mentioned. And Accio 2.0 pulls from not just Alibaba.com, but also 1688 and global sources. So it pulls in essentially the world's largest network of suppliers with the same quantum of intelligence that you've seen from the agent thus far. So let's just proceed with this same product, right? We have the product. Now I'm going to paste this prompt. So find suppliers who can manufacture this water bottle with the filtration system. And we want a priority on verified suppliers who are experienced in this space. And let's click search. Okay, so we can see the suppliers organized via Alibaba.com and then global sites as well. And the feature I really want to double click on here are the matches. So the agent comes up with a list of things it's looking for, criteria for the suppliers, and then tells you how many matches it finds for those. So for example, here we can see it matches 3 of the 4 kind of requirements that the agent thinks are most important. And we can see the top 4 supplier choices right here. And these are also verified manufacturers. They're not middlemen, which is another feature of Alibaba.com. If we click on global sites, we can also see these other suppliers right here. So description of the supplier, when they were established, and then an email that we can use to contact them. And the nice thing about the Alibaba.com suppliers is that we can directly send inquiry letters and the agent can write them for us within the Accio system. Let's go ahead and say, yes, draft an RFQ for the top suppliers. We'll click start now. Okay, and here we can see the RFQs, so the cover letters. Now if I scroll up here and I click send inquiry, I can go ahead and paste that letter. I can enter my details and then click send now, and it's a done deal. I have a supplier for my product. Or I've opened that conversation where I can discuss to make sure it's a fit. And there you go, that's the whole flow. We just went from an idea of a market or a space we're interested in all the way through to a very specific novel product and the suppliers that can help us bring it into the world. Okay guys, so you've seen all of it now. I hope you're as impressed as I am. Whether you're scaling an existing catalog or this is your first go around in the e-commerce and product business domain, this is where you should be this year. It will save you time, it will save you money. And so again, if you didn't earlier in this video, just drop a comment with the word Accio or click on the link in the description. Either way, you help support the channel and you're gonna get an exclusive free trial link directly. And again, this is the only AI sourcing agent that combines trend analysis, production
production-ready designs, and multi-platform sourcing into one seamless workflow developed by one of, if not the single most influential and capable e-commerce company in the world. And so go try it, have fun, give it a spin. And again, you can do that completely for free, no risk with that free trial. That said, I appreciate y'all being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.